Hello, this is Amara with Kaizink, giving a overview of Corebridge, which is one of our sales software systems. So after you log in, this will be the main page you will see. This is your sales homepage. And on the sales homepage, just starting from the top left, we have a Kaizink link and then a PayPal link. The Kaizink link will take you to the Kaizink website. We won't be using the PayPal link. So within the sales homepage, this will be the first page you see, which will have alerts and messages. There's a couple other things: gold, company-wide sales, and calendar. We won't be using these three tabs, just the alerts and messages. And in a separate video, you can learn how to set up alerts, so you can get different alerts on orders that have been placed, like if a payment was made or if a customer approved an estimate or an order. The next section after sales home, and this will always bring you to this sales home page when you click on it, are queues. The queues are for orders, or estimates or orders, and where they are in it. So we will not be going into queues to look up orders. We will just go straight to the order search area and search that way. But there are occasional orders where we have to go into the WIP from here and make some updates. Again, that will also be in a separate video when those instances occur. CRM and customers. So CRM are the contacts, and then customers is the business that will hold all the contacts. So for the most part, when you are having to reach out to somebody, we'll go to the business, search the business, pull up that business, and you'll see all the contacts listed there. We won't be using quick price. Estimates is for, we can search for estimates, look for saved drafts, and those are estimates that we haven't fully saved as an estimate yet. We're still in the draft phase. Maybe we're still making edits or whatever that case may be, and we also just create from here as well. Same thing on orders. You can search for orders, search your drafts that aren't completely in order yet, or start from the beginning and create a new order. We won't be using the products tab, simply as that. If you click on your name, you can update your user preferences. There are a few preferences you may want to check out just to make sure you're getting the alerts and messages the way you want. The last section is the sales module. This is actually how you switch your Corebridge layout. So you will not be needing to go in here and switching around into different departments. Since we're sales, we don't need to go into design, production, or accounting. Skipping over reports. Management is strictly for management, and for the setup of it, you may not see that option, but if you do, you don't have any reason to go into there. This is how Corebridge is set up. The last thing are reports. You may need to pull up reports, look up sales goals, or to pull up past orders so we can do some retention calls. So that's the most you'll go into reports if you have to pull up any of those reports to reach out to customers or for your sales. Just to recap here, again, the Kaizink link is what we're using. Sales home, we're bringing you back to the sales home. We will be mainly using customers to search for businesses and look at their business profile. And then estimates and orders for searching, creating new orders or estimates. And those are the main tabs that we'll be using in Corebridge. Thank you.